Yo, welcome back to another tutorial, guys. So we are going over this yellow and blue Lut, and this one was inspired by Tony Mumford. I did a photo editing tutorial on him a while ago, but I had to do quite a few changes, and I've got this into a really good video Lut. So I love the deep blues that it brings out in the shadows, and then those blues that were already in the image, they become very deep also, and we get these really nice blues here. And then in the highlights we have really goldish yellows. So if I just find a good one that shows that, this one as well shows those nice golden yellows in the highlights right on sunset. Really awesome, complements those deep blues really well by having really bright yellows. Okay, so we'll just start from the start. I'll just show you my adjustment layer. So we've got the Lut at the top here set to its maximum, and then below we've got an S curve, but that is turned off at the moment, and then just a letterbox, and that's it for all these clips. Each clip has some lighting adjustments, and I'll just show you them. So this clip has nothing at the moment, and this is what we've got. This adjustment layer is just a different Lut. I might show you guys that later. Okay, turning the Lut on and off for this clip, you can see we bring out a deeper orange to that really harsh, really awesome sunset there. Not too many colors going on there, but if you get really harsh sunset, there's the colors you can expect. You can see those creamy yellows. So on and off for this one. And as for the clip, I think I just brightened it a bit. So yeah, I just brought up the highlights there. And again, you can see those really deep blues over there in the right of the image. And if you're interested, this is what it looks like before the Lut. So this is flat. So I shot this flat sitting style. This is with contrast. So this is just an S curve here for sitting style. And then if I turn that off, bring the Lut back, that's what it would look like if you shot it in a standard picture profile on your camera. And then that's the Lut. So a lot more blues in those shadows, and then get those nice creamy yellows. They're quite reddish at the moment because it's such a strong sunset. Okay, so this shot, really deep blues. We've got like a cloudy day or something, so we're not going to get those bright, awesome, creamy tones. We're going to get these deep blues, as you can see. Again, in this shot, you can see deep blues, and we get these pale reds as well in the midtones. If we just come back to this one, and I'll show you before and after. Awesome tones in this shot, before and after. A lot of blues, a lot of creamy highlights. I feel like a lot of people use this as a cinematic grade, those deep blues, to really bring out those creamy tones in the highlights there. This one. So all of these clips don't have many adjustments. Like this one has nothing. Look at some skin tones. So skin tones, they stay quite red and rich and a touch purple in the midtones, but in the highlight skin tones, you get this creamy yellow, which looks really nice. So really good on skin tones as well. Looks like I've just brightened it a touch. Maybe doesn't need to be brightened. Nice rich skin tones, works really well. As you can see, the blue shadows and this creamy highlight. This shot, lots of blue tones, creamy highlights. So this is what it would look like in a standard profile in your camera. Turn off the S curve. Got the Lut, a lot more blues, a lot more creamy tones. And then for this clip, looks like I just brightened it just a touch. No color adjustments in any of these. Okay, so this one, bang on sunset, lots of blue tones, lots of creamy tones. So this is a white bar, and as you can see, it goes this like yellow creamy tone. So I just brightened it just ever so slightly. And up here, Lut on and off, Lut off. This is what it would look like if you shot it in a standard profile. Bang. Creamy tones, blue shadows, really cinematic, pretty awesome. Bang on sunset, really awesome creamy tones there. Skin tones again look good. Okay, again, blue tones I'd say in this one, and a few creamy tones creeping in to complement those deep blues. This one, on and off, lots of blues, lots of creamy tones in this one. Again, no adjustments to the clip, works really well. So just brighten this clip just a touch, on and off, and then standard profile. Looks really good. Okay, so this shot shows tones really well as well. So this is stock footage, and here we go, before and after. Blue tones again, creamy tones, and then just your normal contrast or a reasonably cinematic contrast to the image, nothing too crazy. Really rich, warm tones. And then I've just got a few clips over here. Again, blue tones, yellow highlights, This one will show the blue tones and highlights really well. So this clip just brightened a bit before, after. Hopefully you guys can obviously see the blue tones, yellow highlights. Standard shot, standard profile with the Lut. Really awesome tones. This shot shows creamy tones. This bag here, for example, if I just turn the Lut off and let's go standard, it's almost a black, or it's a bit of a purple, pretty close to black, probably is a black bag. And then just see how much blue is there, and then how creamy the rest of the image goes. Shadows, highlights, really awesome tones there, and you can see those deep blues come through all the time. Blue tones there, rich warm highlights, skin tones, lots of blues, looks great. And then there's just me spinning around in my room, so you can see the blues there, great on skin tone. So we go from reasonably darkish lighting, and then I go over by the window just to show that it works very well across all lighting. More blue tones, really awesome blue tones in this shot. Yeah, skin tones in blue. And then this shot, so a nice reddish tone there, and I'll just show you it compared to one of my other Luts, might explain it well. So if I just turn this layer off completely, come up to this one, and let's turn on the red and teal. So this is the red and teal. You get a few more reds in there, and you get a bit more teal to those blues, a yellowish teal to those blues. Turn this one off, go back to our one, and we just get deeper blues, and then those reds aren't so red. And I've come across to this one, you can see we get those nice blues to the furniture there. And right here in a shadowy shot, see those nice blues and warm tones there, like so many blues, like over here, and off, on, really good. This shot has plenty of tones in it. So those greens also, they just go, I don't know what you call that, they go a little bit warmer, but pretty close to true green. Like they're not really warm or anything, but you can see the amount of tones. Turn this one off, on. If I just show you it against the other one. So this is the red and teal one, and then if I just turn that off again and show you the yellow and blue, bang. Again, here you see sunset, those creamy highlights, deep blues, and here's just a big long clip with changing lighting and skin tones. So really good clip to work with because it's just got different angles of light and skin tones, and at sunset you can see how that just works really well across all of it, before and after. And I don't think a single one of these clips have any color adjustments. They're all just slightly brightened a little. So no color adjustments across any of these. So really awesome Lut. Really happy with this one, guys. I'm gonna make a lot of this available for you guys to download. So there's zero risk, guys. If you want to get the Lut, you'll have the footage, you'll have the Lut, and you'll get the exact same results as you see here. So if you want to pick up the Lut, check it out. Hit me up if you've got any questions, guys. And yeah. Hope you enjoy the Lut.